Imagine that you could make your own lava lamp. You wouldn't have to buy one, would you? Hello everybody, my name is Gabriel and I'm back with you today to conduct a very interesting experiment to make your own lava lamp. Come join me now as I create my very own lava lamp. Here are the equipment that I will be needing. Vegetable oil, vinegar, food coloring, a jar and a cup, and finally, baking soda. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Grab your jar and add some baking soda. Be careful. We do not want to get this all over our table as it is really messy. Slowly, slowly, slowly. There. Now that we're done with that, grab our vegetable oil and fill the jar. Be very careful. Very careful. We do not want this over all our table. It will end up in a mess. Some more, and there. Now, set this aside and let's grab a cup. Fill it with a tiny bit of vinegar. Just a little. Not too much, but not too little too. Okay, now, grab some food coloring. You can use any color you like, but today I will be using green. There. Now, we've come to our final step of the experiment, which is to pour them together. Now watch carefully as the effects will soon begin. Patience, patience, patience. As you can see, it looks just like a lava lamp. Isn't that amazing? Do you want to know how this works? When vinegar mixes with baking soda, it creates carbon dioxide bubbles, which goes all the way to the top. But then vinegar makes it drop all the way back down, and the reaction starts over and over again. Well, as much as I hate to say it, we've come to the end of my experiment. Thank you for being here today with me. Goodbye, everyone.